Hey folks, and welcome to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to quick and easily make this inexpensive rustic holiday centerpiece to sit on your dining room table during the upcoming holiday season. If you happen to have a mantle or bookshelf in your home, you could also put this there to add some extra decoration. Wherever you decide to put it will definitely make your home much more festive. So sit back, grab your favorite warm beverage as we create something low cost and fun. A little while ago, I made this little crate thing or box, whatever you call it, out of scraps of fence pickets. I thought about doing a video of me making it, but not sure if I should. If you want me to do a video on how I made this box, please leave a comment letting me know. If I get enough interest, I will make a quick little video showing how I did it. To start off this project, I'm going to stain the box to give it a much more aged and rustic look. Some other options would be to paint it white, red, or any other color you decide. On the other hand, you could also just leave it bare wood. It really depends on where you decide to use it. The stain I'm using is Varathane's water-based stain called Ebony. I'm really a fan of the darker wood, so this ebony stain is my go-to color of choice. So maybe you've never stained wood and want to know more about it. Here are some quick benefits for staining your wood projects. Number 1. Enhances natural beauty. Staining brings out the natural grain and character of the wood, giving it a richer, more polished look. Instead of covering up the wood, staining emphasizes what makes it unique. Number 2. Protects the wood. Wood stain helps protect against moisture, sun damage, and everyday wear. This extra layer can extend the life of your wood projects, whether they're indoors or outside. Number 3, you're able to pick the perfect color. From light and airy to deep and dramatic, stain lets you customize the color to match your style. You get the look you want without hiding the wood's texture. And finally, it adds durability. Stained wood is easier to maintain and tends to age better over time, especially when sealed properly. So how to stain? It's really easy. So step 1 is to prep the surface. You start by sanding the wood smooth and removing dust or debris. Clean, smooth wood helps the stain go on evenly. Step 2 is to apply the stain. So using a brush, cloth, or foam applicator, you apply the stain in the direction of the grain. Work in manageable sections for the best results. Step 3 is to just let it sit and then wipe. Allow the stain to sit for a few minutes, then wipe off the excess with a clean cloth. The longer it sits, the deeper the color. Step 4, dry and seal. Let the stain fully dry and then apply a clear sealer or top coat to protect your finish and lock in the color. Now that I have finished staining the box, I need to add something to the bottom to anchor the embellishment. For this, I just got some floral foam I had laying around from other projects. You can get this stuff from any store like Walmart, Target, Michael's, or someplace like that. I cut it down to fit in the bottom. I didn't show it here, but I used a steak knife because of the serrated edge to make cutting through it easier. Then I used some hot glue to attach the floral foam to the bottom of the box. I let that cool for a few minutes before I started decorating the box. I can't remember where we got all this pine and stuff from, but you can buy it or use old Christmas trees cut down. I'm pretty sure that most of it came from an old Christmas tree that we use wire cutters to trim it down. Next year, we may even try using fresh pine, who knows? That's what makes this project so much fun, is letting your imagination take over. Let me just throw this out there right now. I am not, nor have I ever been accused of being a florist or flowerist or whatever you call it. That would be George, the other half of Eclectic Emporium. I mostly do furniture and digital design. So if some of what I'm doing is making you cringe, that is why. After I create my base layer, I start to add some other more decorative pieces to the centerpiece. I got some of this stuff at the Dollar Tree and the clearance section of Michael's. Get creative and add some turkeys or pilgrims, small snowmen, and that type of stuff, depending on the holiday you're decorating for. By the way, if you are liking the video so far, please be sure to like the video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe as well. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. As I was working through this project, I decided that I wanted some lights in it as well. So I got some string lights I got on sale at Michael's for somewhere around $5 to $7. Before I got too far along, I wanted to weave the string lights in so that they don't just sit on top of the arrangement. All right, so we got the lights in there. Now it's time to finish the arrangement. I added a couple of different types of pine to the arrangement with some berries and ribbon to finish it off. Overall, I had a lot of fun doing this project. As a complete novice to doing arrangements, I know it's not perfect, but I'm okay with that. I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and we got more in store for you, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post new content. We also try to host a weekly DIY live stream every Wednesday. Stop in and chat with us live while we work on a project. If you miss one, you can always watch them back on our channel. That's all for today. Thanks. Bye.